Hello everyone, welcome back to Anonymous World. Hope you all are doing well. So today is December 22nd and day 22 of Advent of Cyber 3rd edition is out. So let's see what we have for day 22. Okay, so day 22 is blue dimming, how it happened. Oh, that's Santa. Let it snow. So Skiddy has finally gotten around to identifying the first trace of Grinch Enterprises within their network. Okay, that's great news. They are looking at local machines to determine what exactly they did when they first entered the network. Can you help them make sense of what happened? Okay, so let's start our machine. Okay, so you have probably heard of the Cyber Swiss Army knife, Cyber Chef. So this tool will help you uncover what big enterprises did when they first entered the network. So in today's task, we will see the tool Cyber Chef. You can go there, Cyber Chef. So it's a great tool for decoding various type of ciphers. You can see there are many options: base64, hex, hexdump, URL code. Then there are many more. So all you need is to be a good chef and follow the recipes. On the left hand column, you can choose the ingredients or operations you want to bake and bake the best cake for this Christmas party as shown in the image below. So you can see you can use various type of ciphers: BCD, hex, octal, base64, decimal, char code, Morse code, braille. So to bake the perfect tasty cake, you need to add the ingredients you need in the right order by dragging them to the middle column that says recipe. Pretty cool, right? So for example, let's decode a base64 encoded string. Okay, so let's copy this. We will decode this. Now you need to select from base64 and drag it in the middle. So you can see it got decoded and we got the output Grinch Enterprises won't take over the North Pole. Okay. So according to Mozilla, base64 encoding schemes are commonly used when there is a need to encode binary data that needs to be stored and transferred over media that are designed to deal with ASCII. Okay, so to decode the string of we will use from base64. Okay, we already did that. Now you can drag as many ingredients as you wish to the recipe field to produce the outputs that make sense to you. It has a lot of interesting features such as being able to decrypt a file or text that was encrypted using various ciphers shown below: AES, DES, PGP, RC2, RSA, Blowfish, Triple DES. Okay, there are so many. So another noteworthy cipher that attackers commonly use and what we'll focus on is the XOR cipher or exclusive OR cipher. So it is a logical operator which returns true or 1 in binary when both of the values are different. That is, one is true and other one is false. And returns 0 when two values are same as shown in the figure. So you can see that. Now we have taken a look at the basics of cyber chef and some common obfuscation techniques. So let's explore another helpful tool to complete this task. Okay, so now another tool we will see is OliDump, which is written in Python by Dear Stevens. Okay, sorry for pronunciation if I did it wrong. Which helps you analyze OLE files or compound file binary formats. Applications such as MS Office with extensions doc, XLS, PPT are known as OLE files. So malicious actors can abuse macros to hide malicious commands or scripts within Excel or Word documents or presentation files. So you can run the command olydump.py followed by the file name to view the streams as shown below. Okay, so according to the documentation on OLE files could contain storages which are basically folders that contain streams of data or other storages. So an example is given here. So the M letter next to a stream indicates that the stream contains a VBA macro. VBA macros are created using the Visual Basic for applications programming language and have legitimate use cases. So before we start using this tool, let's take a look at some of the useful options for analyzing these kinds of files. To explore more options, use the -m option. Okay, so A does an ASCII dump similar to option small a, but duplicate lines are removed. S is for dump strings. Small d produces a raw dump of stream content. Then small m is for for stream number. Then small d is for dump. Okay, then X is for hex dump. ASCII dump, then strings, then VBA decompress. So now Grinch Enterprises left a malicious document on the machine and we need to find it. So the document contains a malicious base64 encoded script that also comes with a secret cipher ingredient decimal 35. So we need to find out what the evil script does and look at two of the flags. So to solve this challenge, you need to find a stream that contains the obfuscated script, select the macro stream number 8 and dump the contents by running this command. Only dump.py, then 8, then stream 8, then dump. So the decimal number 35 will be our XOR key and we will use this recipe in our cyber chef using following ingredients from base 64 then XOR 35. Okay, don't forget to choose decimal from the drop down menu. Okay, let's see, the virtual machine will launch in browser. Okay, we have done that. So if you want to access the machine via remote desktop, you can use given credentials. Okay, the virtual machine may take up to 3 minutes to fully load. Okay, now what is the username email address of Grinch Enterprises from the decoded script? Okay, so let's see, we have one folder Santa Claus naughty list. Let's see, okay, there is one file Santa Claus naughty list 2021.doc and then we have our terminal here. Okay, so you can see our tool is, we are already in our tool directory. Let's run our command. So it's okay, so it's dump.py, then stream 8. Okay, first let's try without giving any stream, then our file name. Okay, I will just drag it here, then hit enter. Okay, so you can see got okay, so you can see we got all the streams. There are total of 17 streams. You can see Grinch Enterprises was here, then some files are given. Project Grinch Enterprise was here, module. Okay, so now we need to check stream 8. So let's see. So you can see there are M, which is for macros. Okay, let's check stream 8. Okay, so here it looks like a base 64 code. Let's try using D also. Okay, sorry, it's D. So you can see we got our base 64 code. So let's copy this and try to decode it using CyberChef. Okay, let's copy this. Now let's use the CyberChef. Okay, we have a folder named tools, then there is CyberChef, then there is an offline version of CyberChef already installed. Let's go there. Okay, let's view our machine in full screen. Okay, now it's good. Okay, let's copy this again. Okay, so first we need to use base 64. Okay, then we need to use XOR. Remember the key was 35 and it was in decimal, so remember to change the value from hex to decimal. Okay, looks like it's base 64 again, so we will use base 64 again. Or also you can click on this magic button which will automatically use base 64. So just click here So you can say it's written from base 64, it will produce some text. Okay, so let's move this. So you can see it's now decoded. Credit goes to Manier Viral for writing this awesome rat. Okay, then their username is given, password is given, then some many more details are given there. Then a for loop is running here. Okay, so let's see our first question. So what is the username or email address of Grinch Enterprises from the decoded script? Okay, so it's grinch.enterprises.2021@gmail.com. Okay, so we got our first answer. Now, what is the mailbox password you found? So it's just below Santa is coming to town. Now, what is the subject of the email? Let's see the subject of the email. Okay, new object, credentials, message from. Okay, Santa's present delivery is sending this message. Okay, so here is our subject, Christmas wish list. Now, what port is the script using to exfiltrate data from the North Pole? Okay, let's go down. We need to find the port. Okay. Okay, so SMTP server, then you can see it's using port number 587. Now, what is the flag hidden found in the document that Grinch Enterprises left behind? Hint, use the following command onlydump.py, then stream number, then the answer will be in the caption. Okay, so we need to look in another stream to find our first flag. Let's see if we have anything left here. Okay, attachment. Okay, files get child item from user file pictures Greens 2021. Okay, it looks like something's there. Okay, let's go to our terminal again and look for some another stream. Okay, so total we have 17 streams and we already checked the 8th one. Let's see. Okay, let's try the 4th one. Okay, so I don't think anything is there in 4th one. Let's try the 5th one. Okay, still nothing's there. What a drag. Need to check manually every stream. Let's try 6th one. Okay, nothing's there. 7th one. Okay, we've found something. So caption is written there. You found Grinch cookie. So we got our first flag. You found Grinch cookie. Now there is still a second flag somewhere. Can you find it on the machine? Okay, so we just saw a folder name in our decoded script, which was user profile pictures Greens 2021. So let's see if we find something there. So pictures Greens 2021. Okay, so there is one file flag 2. Let's see. Okay, so here is our flag. You just need to type it manually. It's Santa Claus is real. Okay. Okay, so Santa Claus is real. And we are done with our day 22. So that's all for this video. I will see you tomorrow in day 23.